Triangle of forces. If three forces F1, F2 and F3 are acting on a particle in equilibrium, then that means F1 plus F2 plus F3 has to equal 0. So the example, a particle of mass 8 kilograms is suspended by 2 strings attached to 2 points on the same horizontal plane. If the 2 strings make angles of 30 and 40 degrees to the horizontal, calculate the tension in each string. So you can see this diagram that we have here. Now, one thing to note, because of alternate angles, we know that this angle down here is 30 degrees. We also know that this angle here is 40 degrees. So let's draw our 3 vectors so we can work out what's going on. We have our 8 kilogram weight going down. Okay, now I'm going to draw in my T2. It's at 40 degrees. So if that's 40 degrees, we know that's 50 degrees. So this is T2. And then we're going to draw our T1. Now we know they're in equilibrium, so we know this triangle is going to be closed. So there's my 30 degrees. This is my T1. Okay, let's draw in our other angles that we know. Because we have this 40 down here, we know that this is 40 here. We also know that this angle up here has to be 30, just using alternate angles. So that means this angle in here has to be 60 degrees. So now we have all our angles inside our triangle. We can work out what our tensions are using our sine rule. So I'm just going to draw this triangle so you can see what's going on without all the extra bits of information. So we have T1, T2 and 8. This is 60, this is 50 and this is 70 degrees. Okay, so our sine rule. Finding sides, so A on sine A equals B on sine B. Pick something you're going to work with first. I'm going to work with T1. So T1, look opposite T1, so that's 50 degrees. So T1 on sine of 50 is going to be, pick our matching. What do we have that matches? We're going to have to use that one. So that equals 8 over sine of 70. So T1 is going to be 8 over sine of 70 times by sine of 50. Go to your calculator, you get approximately 6.52 kilogram weight. For T2, same formula. T2 over the angle opposite T2 is 60, so over sine of 60 is going to equal 8 over sine of 70. So T2 is going to be 8 over sine of 70 times by sine of 60. Go to your calculator. That's approximately 7.37 kilogram weight. Finish with a therefore statement.